Hello everyone, it's me Sen. So for today's video ay guys, in-invite na lang po kami ng aking partner na si Nikki Villanueva para mag-live po dito mismo sa shop. At later guys ay makikita or maipapakita namin sa inyo yung warehouse ng PK Group of Company. Ang PK Group of Company guys ay nagbebenta po sila ng 100% legit na Sorico or beauty products guys made in Thailand. Alright guys, as you can see, ito po yung mga example or products po ng Sorico. Kaya guys ay ma-amaze po kayo dito dahil dito po mismo yan ginawa. Okay, so ipoprove po namin sa inyo later sa aming live. Kaya please don't forget to follow the page of the official page of Sorico Collagen Official and PK Group of Company sa Facebook page po nila. Alright guys, so ito po yung studio nila kung saan po kami magla-live. Kaya kung gusto niyo pong mag-order, and if I were you, I encourage you to order, bulk order, or wholesale. Hello guys! Hello everyone! We are here in PK Group of Company. And of course, kasama kayo ang magpakilala ka muna.
Hello, my name is Nikki.
Nakasama ko na siya guys before. Nagla-live din kami dito. And today, nandito na naman kami ngayon at magla-live ulit ng mga products ng PK Group of Company. Alright guys, as you can see at my back, ito yung mga sample products nila. Ngayon ay magbibihis muna kami ng damit guys na pa-free nila. May nakalagay dito, So Beauty Thailand. Alright, so nag-inaantay ko lang yung partner ko dun sa toilet dahil siya pa yung nagbibihis. Alright everyone, so please don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell for you to be updated to my next video. Alright everyone, so please support me for this live ng 100% direct to manufacturer guys ng PK Group of Companies.
Ito, nakasulat naman overnight body lotion. So, kung makalimutan kayo ng dalawa, nakasulat naman yung
First, yung mga unique companies guys, it's your time to shine. Sorico. Okay? Yes.
Yung mga mahilig mag-vlog dyan, kahit alin sa mga product ng Sorico, yung coffee, yung coco, yung collagen, yung berry, lahat guys, everything jingle bell around the sun, yung mga lotion nila. Actually, yes, so yung mga soaps, ganyan, i-vlog nyo, mag-review kayo kahit maaga. So para makita nyo na ready to ship talaga kami. Bye-bye.
So, talagang sinusunod tayo ng mga...
Dali mo yun. Akin ko ba?
Curb, you say curb. Can I bring my color?
Warehouse. Okay, napaka-exciting. Okay, guys ko na.
Nasa mga ano yun,
From manufacturer guys, ang 888 product.
So makikita nyo naman sa page nila, meron din silang Alada, which is yung very popular na pampamuti sa Pilipinas. Sobrang viral nito guys. So meron silang mga Alada cream.
Ay, kilala ko itong product na ito, partner.
Tapos meron silang ito sleep balm. Actually, pinili ko ito, pinadala ko sa UK. So, maganda ito.
เราเพิ่มปริมาณให้เป็น200
Picture mo kami, Kuya Philip.